that chap there.
So there's this other YouTuber called The Vexening or something. It's Canadian, and there's this server called Nexumcraft. In his introduction video, he said he wanted it to be like Hermitcraft, which, of course, is ridiculously ambitious. But oh, they got the egg already. Nice. I haven't really done anything other than I made it so you can fall through here, and they've made this look a lot nicer. But they've kept it as I built it, which is very nice of them. And we have Soul Sand all the way here, so that's quite nice. What was that? Oh, I took fall damage. You can actually take fall damage, this shoots you out quite high. I haven't even built a base yet. Haven't really done anything. Okay, this doesn't look very impressive. Okay, the fences don't make any sense. That doesn't say fences, that could be square. It's not even symmetrical. Who built this? That's a strange sugarcane farm. It's a kelp farm as well, though. That's nice. They haven't even got a zero-tick sugarcane farm, which I think still works in 1.15. So, when I start doing stuff on here, at some point I'm going to have to start doing some redstone stuff, perhaps. We'll see. What's this? Is this someone's head? That is someone's head. See what it's like in the nether? I don't even have full iron yet, that's terrible. I'm going to have to do a bit of mining in a second. What is this? Why have they done it to... This is just ugly. Like, you can see it's a hole. No, okay. I don't like this. I don't like it at all. That is slightly less bad. Okay. I mean, if you... Yeah, we're going to have to put some obsidian at the top there. But I'm just going to have a look through, because last time I was on here, I went to the nether and I collected some more soul sand for the well shooter upper. And I made a bit of a cobblestone staircase. Oh, we've got a tunnel. That probably takes you to the fortress. I'm going to go down there in a second. No, they haven't changed that one bit. Right, let's have a look. Although I'm going to be a little bit careful because I don't even have any enchanted stuff. They haven't even mined this quartz. It's interesting. They probably have tons of quartz already though, that's why. I don't know how many people are actually on the server who go on it. Last I was informed that it was me, the other guy, and somebody else, so that's 3. Judging by the fact that there's someone online at the moment, there's probably 4, 5, 6 people on it at the moment. So it should be pretty good. People just not like quartz on this server. I mean, if you want it to be anything like Hermitcraft, we're going to need a lot of comparators and observers. Oh, this is slow. I say that. I've never actually built any piston bolts or anything like that. We're going to need to get some ice at some point. Actually, this is more of a nether hub, isn't it? This is a nether hub already. This is quite nice. Let's see where this leads. I'm surprised none of these corridors lead to the fortress, though. Oh, this one takes us straight to the stronghold. Oh, now, that is a nether portal. Are those mossy slabs? I didn't even know mossy slabs were a thing. Okay, what portal is this? Ah, it is that one. This is a bit weird that it comes out there, though. I might fill that in a second. See, have I got another rack? I've got another rack. Okay. Dig straight up in the nether. What a good idea. Oh. Yeah, I'm just placing blocks here. Let me place the blocks, Mr. Server. Let me place blocks. That's kind of part of the game. Okay, now people won't end up walking off into the lava. Something went wrong for somebody right there.